Hello everybody, Brian here from the quantlabs.net. I'm going to go over the details of this Interactive Brokers API Bootcamp workshop. It's pretty involved. It involves the languages of Java, C++, as well as some Python. Just so you know, this is for using interactive brokers for any asset class. It uses, in the first module here, Redis as the data store. So you can use that as a data store, data hub to connect into with other programming languages to push out signals or positions or whatnot. So I do a little video on that, but I have more details of using Redis in the Python infrastructure course. Next up, we have here a demonstration of TWS, the Trader Workstation, with the Python, IB Python. I will tell you that from what I've seen so far, that the support for interactive brokers in Python is not that strong, but I may update it in later modules or units as we get closer to that time. Next up, we have pretty well the most popular language with interactive brokers is Java. I also show another demo of how to use it with Python. So here with Redis, I show a standard pub sub message queue that you could use to send messages or pricing information between Java and Python or the other way around. Here I show another demo in Java to use with the TWS as a client demo. And here lastly another Java Python combination using this L-push, L-range design patterns within Redis that you can use to send messages back and forth. Another popular demo here is publisher to subscriber. As an example, I do this all the time locally, and this is again using TWS Trader Workstation to push out an order. Lastly, you may know about my stance on Windows. Not a big fan anymore because of Windows 10 and the updates and the telemetry and all that fun stuff. So here I do demos in what they call POSIX, which is Mac and Linux. And here we do a demo of using the C++ library and the interactive brokers library as well, possibly with a gateway as an option as well. Here we have some combinations of interactive brokers that you could find, different conditions you may come across as well, but there's pretty detailed and I'll be adding more as we get to it specifically with features and options. But always remember this is just using Java and C++, but you can also use other really good trading platforms like Motorwave to connect into interactive brokers. Hopefully I'll help you out. Thanks.